We are reached on a site. This is a prism rod, and this is a prism. This is a total station with a box. I will close it, and I'm going for setup on a tripod stand. That's total station. That's the tripod stand setup. Look at this. I'll open this box and set up on the base plate. Wait, I will be set up, and then I will be make a video because I am alone and nobody else for making my video. Can you see I'm set up the total station on a tripod stand, and I am a helper, and then will be my teacher is come, and we will be layout on a site. That's all foundations point. I hope so. If I can show some points, we was before lunchtime to set up the 4 points. Look at this one, and this one, and this one.